Unit 6, Activity 5C. Listen and check your answers. What is this recording about? Which country celebrates this?
In Mexico, the second day of November is an unforgettable day. It's called the Day of the Dead. Don't misunderstand and think that it's just a boring day, because it's actually the opposite. On this day, families gather and visit the gravesides to clean and decorate the graves. After the cleaning, they usually eat lunch and perform some entertainment, such as singing or telling jokes to entertain the deceased. The purpose is to remind everyone that their loved ones are still living in their hearts. For some people that can't make it, they can set up altars and decorate them at home instead, and they can reunite with other family members and have a good time just like at the graveside. One thing that everyone should remember is to avoid behaving and drinking irresponsibly. In towns and cities, it's impossible not to notice the colourful and cheerful celebration. There are parades with people wearing skeleton makeup and costumes while singing and dancing in the streets. It's so lively that it's hard to think that the day is for the dead.